For over 25 years, SanDisk has been redefining the possibilities of storage. That's why enterprise and hyperscale data centers, as well as leading manufacturers of smartphones, tablets, and PCs, rely on SanDisk. To them, we're peace of mind.
Welcome to the Engineering Update. I'm ECN editor Casey Panetta, and in this week's episode, Volvo gets a new safety system, a musical tattoo, and a mysterious robot plane returns to Earth. Driver assistance technologies are very in right now, and will probably continue to grow in popularity as both the public and government push for safer cars. Volvo and their 360 Degrees project is trying to eliminate all death and injury by a Volvo car or truck by 2020. That's pretty crazy when you stop to think about the fact that that's only 5 years away. The project is driven by a mixture of academics and business executives, and the end product was a system that uses discrete sensors to offer 360-degree coverage. Every 25 milliseconds, the system gets information from the sensors, which include data from radar, cameras, and GPS, and can use that information to predict events that would occur up to 5 seconds in the future. If the driver doesn't respond to the offered paths of escape, the car also offers auto braking and steering. The really interesting thing about this technology is that the company is looking for ways to utilize it on tractor-trailers, which are incredibly dangerous because they're large, often very heavy, and have a lot of blind spots. Unfortunately, unlike a car, auto steering in a truck can't be a quick movement. Right now, the technology is in testing phase, so stay tuned for more information.
Tattoos signify a number of different things: solidarity, brotherhood, and artistic expression of oneself, or in the case of a Moscow-based artist, music. And when I say music, I don't mean a tat of a treble clef or something like that. This ink literally plays music when scanned by a special instrument. Of course, music is a very subjective term, and there's no accounting for taste. There's some who consider this, well, music or art or something. Okay, that's enough of that. Dmitry Morozov's 8-inch long design, resembling a barcode more than anything musical, produces sounds that can best be described as avant-garde. Okay, so it's definitely not for everyone, but it's a very cool development. The scanning instrument includes Arduino Nano, a metal railing, hand controllers, and a black line sensor on the tattoo, and a motor guides the mechanism along the ink design. From there, a Nintendo Wii controller with open sound control adds to the potential. For example, movement induces an accelerometer to create distortion. Again, not for everyone, but the technical aspect is fascinating.
The US government gets to do a lot of things that might get your average citizen in trouble, including having a super secret, super cool autonomous spy plane with absolutely zero intention of ever talking about what in the world it's doing. The X-37B, built by Boeing, is an unmanned spacecraft that has been sent into space 3 times, most recently in 2012, and should be returning to Earth to land at the Vandenberg Air Force Base in California this week. According to the Air Force, the craft is 9 feet 6 inches tall with a wingspan of just under 15 feet and a length of 29 feet. It's powered by a gallium arsenide solar cells with lithium-ion batteries. It's all very hush-hush, but the Daily Beast offered up some information on what kind of technology the plane is probably carrying and what the point is. Apparently, the plane is designed with a bunch of high-tech cameras, electronic sensors, and radar systems. According to the site, it's a cheaper alternative to spending billions on a satellite because it can be reconfigured and reused and offers more flexibility in orbit. The plane returning this week is actually returning from its second run. That's all for this week's video. Be sure to check in on Facebook and Twitter and see past videos at ecnmag.com. For the ECN channel, I'm Casey Panetta, and this has been your Engineering Update.